I've made my fair share of successful films, but I've never seen a reaction like this. Never. He's not a Kathak teacher. He doesn't know Kathak. Oh, what's with this limp wrist? Show me one place where I've done this in the film. I haven't. I welcome Aamir wholeheartedly to the Dhoom franchise. Da-na-na-na-na-na theme for you. You will see a new Abhishek Bachchan. Buy the ticket and see. Namaskar, mera naam hai Abhishek Bachchan and you are watching BollywoodHungama.com.
Well, we have with us Abhishek Bachchan, who has today only entered the 100 crore club, the coveted 100 crore club with Bol Bachchan. Pleasure having you back on Bollywood Hungama. And before the release of the film, हम लोगों ने predict किया था कि that ये picture बहुत कामयाब होने वाली है. And बहुत आपको मुबारक हो and truly enjoy the film.
Thank you, Faridun. That's quite a cool introduction. I never thought that will ever be associated with me, but thank you. It's an absolute pleasure as always to be here.
In the last interview that we did, Abhishek was a bit critical कि आप मेरे बारे में ये सब बोलते रहते हैं और आपने ये बोला वो बोला. But the fact is that when a film is working as an audience, I'm entirely saying as an audience, you feel good about it and you can't hide that at all. And I think जब picture अच्छी है तो picture अच्छी है. I think it boils down to that.
Yeah. No, the last time I was just pulling your leg.
Pulling your leg के अलावा मतलब कुछ तो.
I think what you said is absolutely right, and that's something which has been almost a mantra for me in terms of judging a film. Each film has a vibe, and that vibe is given out from the first promo teaser that comes out of the film. If that vibe isn't correct and if it hasn't kind of gelled with the audience, आप लाख हजार interview कर लीजिए, you go promote it all over the place,
right.
That film is not going to work. I was talking to Ajay this morning, and when he told me that we finally crossed 100 crores domestically, I think worldwide they had crossed it last week. We were just discussing that at the end of the day, we as filmmakers, we tend to get very defensive of our work. Obviously, we all work very hard. But actually, you can judge the flavor of the film, or are people looking forward to the film when you promote it.
Absolutely.
From the kind of questions that you get. I remember promoting this film, like you said, you had predicted it. Now, why would you predict it? Not to challenge your knowledge of the films. It's you felt ki, haan bhaiya, this is a film I feel will do well.
I'm a very, very passionate viewer. I love watching films. Okay, in fact, I have to tell you, I received an email, I think around Tuesday after the release. Okay, from someone in Australia. And that guy was saying that Bol Bachchan has released over here and I went to buy tickets and I could not get over the weekend. Even Monday, Tuesday, I could not get the tickets and all. Yeah, Australia. But that shows that the way it's been received, because it's like a massive film जो कि शायद overseas में आप लोगों ने खुद भी आपने imagine शायद नहीं किया हो कि इस तरीके से response मिल सकता है.
No, I hoped. That's all we can do is hope.
Generally जिस तरीके से ट्रेंड है फिल्म्स का ओवरसीज में, उतना शायद इस तरीके की फिल्मों का नहीं होता है, लेकिन ये आई थिंक मेरे ख्याल से maybe I think for the first time it has happened.
I think if you make an entertaining film, they'll all go at the end of the day. Yes, we've noticed generally, especially in the UK, romantic films and family dramas work a lot. But I think what the great thing about Bol Bachchan was that it truly is a very clean entertainer. It's a film you can go with your entire family. और अगर आप देखें this year at least, no big mainstream Hindi film has come which the entire family can go to.
Sajid Khan will disagree, but we'll let it be.
Oh yes, Houseful as well. Yeah. So I think fair enough.
Some people may have their reservations.
I haven't seen it.
It's a fun film, but the family audience is something which is skeptical.
In today's day and age where we're making such a variety of films, it's nice to also have that one mainstream family entertainer which is very clean, where everybody from your dada and dadi down to your grandchildren you can go and see it together. And I noticed that a lot when I went to Gaiety with Rohit on the Saturday of release.
Right.
Even in the stalls, they were predominantly families.
Right.
And I think that's why it's caught this kind of momentum that it has.
Right.
And that was intended. Or agar aap dekhen, at the end of the day, yahan ho ya overseas, your audience is the same. We all live on an appetite of Indian cinema.
जहाँ तक फैमिली ऑडियंस की बात है, आई सॉ इट फर्स्ट विद माई फ्रेंड्स एंड आफ्टर दैट आई टुक माई फैमिली एंड आई वॉज स्केप्टिकल कि यार माई वाइफ जनरली इज very she doesn't like too many Hindi films. It's not as if that she watches a lot of English films, but she generally doesn't like Hindi films. My daughter like me, she likes most of the films. So I was skeptical, but when I saw both of them enjoying it tremendously, I was surprised. I said, यार इसमें कुछ ना कुछ तो definitely है. And I think that is a big plus point because उसके अंदर कोई भी vulgar moments बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. Theatrical trailer में एक word था जो कृष्णा बोलता है, वो भी शायद आप लोगों ने चेंज कर दिया फिल्म में, लग गई है.
जी.
आप समझ रहे हैं मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ?
जी.
तो आई थिंक दैट इज कमेंडेबल.
मूंछों का आइडिया पृथ्वी जी को चिपकाने वाला तू. अरे सच तो ये है मेरे दोस्त कि मेरी फट रही है.
You know, that was Rohit's focus. Rohit is very conscious of his audience. और वो हमेशा ये कहते हैं, you know, जब हम सवाल करते हैं कि आज कितने गाड़ी उड़ाए तुमने, he says, look, I do it because the children love it. He's very clear. I make films for children and for family audiences. He's very clear. And that is his focus. You know, when Ajay first spoke to me about the film, because he's also the producer, you know, I think his entire effort was, I want to make a family entertainer. Right. He was very clear. So both of them as the basic team and the brains behind the entire project were very clear. And I think they've done a fantastic job at achieving that.
आपका जो entire that अब्बास अली वाला जो कैरेक्टर था, उसमें there's two sides to it in terms of when it comes that नादिन धिन्ना वाला portion. Some people have loved it. Most of the people, in fact, have loved it. Yeah. But there has been criticism in certain quarters that maybe homosexuals का मजाक उड़ाया गया है and it have not been presented in a proper manner. What is your take on it?
See, the thing is, I don't need to have a take on it. I have to do my job. Right. See, Faridun, when you make a film, I cannot say today, despite the the collections of Bol Bachchan, I can't say that everybody has loved the film. That's life. You know, over 1 billion people watch Hindi cinema.
Right.
It would be very arrogant of me to think that all of them like every film. There's always going to be people who like and the people who don't, and they're entitled to their opinion.
It's not about liking or disliking. I'm talking about a certain angle that homosexuals have not been presented. Personally, I felt that it is not the case.
Do you know who felt like this? Because I have not received that complaint so far. If you tell me who, and then maybe I'd like to sit down with them and explain to them what the characterization was.
Because I think whatever the comments that I've read on certain social networking sites was a bit uncalled for, because there were certain things that each ticket that you're buying, you're actually just doing something for a film which has not a proper take on homosexuals, which I felt was definitely not on the proper take.
And that character, where the one thing we were not intending on doing, and I don't think we have either, is make fun of anybody. That's not the kind of films Rohit wanted to make. We were very conscious. He's pretending to be a Kathak teacher. Right. I based that character on one of the spot boys actually that we have on the set. And his walk was like that, the way of speaking was like that. And nowhere are we trying to make fun of anybody. He's pretending to be a Kathak teacher. He's not a Kathak teacher. He doesn't know Kathak. He's basically a character that is a fish out of water. He doesn't know how to react to certain things. So there's nowhere where I've made fun of anybody. And once, I think Rajiv Masand asked me that, oh, you know, what's with this limp wrist? Show me one place where I've done this in the film. I haven't. Yes, he's meant to be a dancer, so he uses his hands a lot, you know.
पृथ्वी जी, अभी आप भी बताइए, इस उम्र में क्या मेरी अम्मी पम्मी ब्यूटी पार्लर जाएंगी? मैनिक्योर पेडिक्योर वैक्सिंग करने की तो उम्र मेरी है ना.
So I think anybody who feels that way has unfortunately misread the character, but you know, they have an opinion and you have to, you know, listen to it. I don't agree with it, and but if they feel that, then I'm sorry for them.
Apparently, you have not read the reviews still.
I've read them now, yes.
You've read them now, but till a few days back, you have not read the reviews.
Gee, I actually read them yesterday.
You read them yesterday. You basically have been relying on the audience reaction, and the audience reaction primarily has been very, very positive. So, would like to share a few of the experiences.
You know, like I said just before, over 1 billion people watch our films. It would be terribly arrogant of any actor to think that all of them like my work.
Many of them watch it on pirated DVDs, which is unfortunate.
I think the reviewers have been fairly balanced. They've pointed out things, particularly, I read reviews more on a selfish reason, where how can I improve my performance?
Yeah, I've read that.
And I found a few pointers there which I think are very accurate and correct, and things that I'd like to work on. But yeah, by and large, for a film like this, I think the reviews were very good.
What about audience reaction when you went to theaters and all? What sort of reactions have you got?
Well, I've never seen reactions like this, very honestly. You know, I've made my fair share of successful films, but I've never seen a reaction like this. Never. Right. It's been overwhelming.
You are on a Dhoom 3 set right now and looking forward to it big time?
Very much. We are going to start in a couple of days. We've been very busy doing our rehearsals and readings. So yeah, very, very excited about it.
In fact, one of our interviews, you've said that it's going to be Aamir Khan's best work as an actor. Why do you say that?
Because it is going to be, I feel. You know, I welcome Aamir wholeheartedly to the Dhoom franchise. And Uday and I are very, very eager and very excited to be working with him. And you know, in the past week, we've been doing our rehearsals and readings. He's just been fantastic. And I think he's going to be great in the film.
We know that Katrina is opposite Aamir, but who are opposite you guys? Rima Sen?
Buy the ticket and see.
Patte nahi khulne wale
nahi.
What's the plan? You guys are doing the look test right now?
No, we've been doing our readings, just rehearsals. We before any film starts, we do a series of rehearsals. We just read the script together, and it just what it does is on set. Then it just makes your job. You're not, you know, you've already rehearsed the film. We all do it for every film, so we're just in our rehearsal period right now.
Uday Chopra will be back after quite some time as well.
Yes. How much fun. I'm excited to get Jayan Ali back on the bike.
Yeah, I think somehow he is good as Ali always.
He's brilliant. He's brilliant. He's absolutely brilliant. And from Dhoom 1 to Dhoom 2, Uday and I have had so much fun. And I'm so happy that he agreed to do Dhoom 3 as well.
The same thing happens between you guys? You keep on just pulling his legs?
You'll have to wait and watch, Faridun. You'll have to wait and watch.
Okay, and what about the music and all? How many songs are there?
Like I said, when we sit down to the promotion of that, we'll talk about it then.
And you guys are going to US?
Yes.
For shooting?
Yes.
When is that going to be?
We leave next month.
Early next month, that is August.
Yeah.
Okay, and which all cities in US are you going to be shooting?
We'll be in Chicago.
You're going to be in Chicago?
Yeah.
Okay, and the entire schedule in Chicago?
Yes. Yeah.
And after that, something in Mumbai as well?
Yeah, then we come back and do all our set work over here.
Set work in Mumbai?
Yeah.
After that, when is the movie going to be releasing? Any idea?
I don't
about
know.
That?
I don't know.
Any tentative idea?
No.
Mid next year?
No, I really wouldn't know. I think, you know, being an action film, the post-production takes a bit of time, so I don't think they've set a date yet. But I'm pretty sure Yash Raj will announce it as soon as they've locked in a date for it. But as of right now, we're concentrating on just, you know, shooting the film.
In fact, one of your fans from Delhi has sent me an email. His name is Mukund Desai, and it said that I read about Abhishek eating rasmalai and jalebi in Delhi. Please, we want to see you super fit for Dhoom 3. Khane peene ke liye zindagi padi hai. Apparently, I think you've gone to meet your sister or something.
No. Recently? Ajay and I were very keen to eat something sweet, so we ordered some jalebis. But don't worry. Mukund, his name is?
Mukund Desai,
yeah. Don't worry. I think your wish will be fulfilled. We're working towards it.
Great. So what is your workout regimen right now?
I'm on a very grueling schedule. Okay. Because the idea is not to bulk up. The idea is to become very lean. So, you know, it's very cardio intensive, a lot of functional training, a lot of plyometrics. So it's tough, but we're doing it. Okay. You will see a new Abhishek Bachchan.
Bilkul, looking forward to that. Looking forward to that. I've also read somewhere that you've said that Aamir used to call you up and you guys used to work out together and train together as well. So tell us about some experiences.
He's just a wonderful co-star. You know, he's such a team player and he's so concerned about what everybody's doing. Right. He's not the kind of actor who's just bothered about his job. So what I was saying is, you know, he involves everybody in everything. It's just he's a pleasure to work with, a sheer pleasure. I'm really enjoying working with him. He's great.
I interviewed Sanjay Gadvi here itself almost 6 years back. I was just telling these guys. So it's been quite some time since the last Dhoom, in fact.
Yeah. You know, I think with Dhoom 2 we touched a newer height. Obviously, to get it right, you need the right script. And Adi's been working very hard on it, so it's taken a bit of time. When we were completing Dhoom 1, we kind of knew what we wanted to do with Dhoom 2. Because in Dhoom 1, we didn't really come with any expectations.
And that is your first hit?
Yes, John, Uday and I, and you know, Adi said, "Hey, choti si picture banate hain, it'll be fun." So we didn't expect it to become such a huge hit and so iconic. And then when it did, obviously, you know, by then we were pretty sure how we wanted to take Dhoom 2. Now then Dhoom 2 went even bigger than that. So obviously you had to be conscious. You can't just keep giving them the same thing. They'll get fed up of it.
Absolutely.
Adi's, you know, diktat to us is the next one has to be bigger, it has to be better. So I think that takes time.
Theme music will be there for sure.
Of course.
Yeah. Can you just hum a couple of lines? You're a fantastic singer as well.
No.
I was listening to you that Thai number from Dam Aradam yesterday. सुपर्ब आपने इनफैक्ट मैं बता नहीं पाया बुड्ढा होगा तेरा बाप में आपने जो रैप किया था आई थिंक दैट वाज वेरी गुड आई टोल्ड मिस्टर बच्चन अबाउट दैट एज वेल
थैंक यू
कुछ धूम 3 की थीम म्यूजिक कुछ आप अपने फैंस को
व्हेन आई फिनिश द फिल्म I'll sing it for you.
Teaser.
I'll sing it for you then. That's my promise to you. I will do the ta na 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 theme for you.
ठीक है, done. We got the teaser nevertheless.